Hanggang ngayon, prevalent pa rin ang bullying sa mga eskwelahan. And of course, this is a concern of the school system as it poses a threat sa well-being at saka safety ng mga bata. And dito, merong decision ng ating Korte Suprema sa bullying. At ito yung Mother Goose Special School System versus Spouses Palaganas. Parang isang eskwela nito somewhere in Pangasinan. And it highlights the duties of the school, parents, teachers, and the institution para magkaroon ng secure and safe environment, learning environment ang mga bata. So, isang estudyante, grade school, doon sa Mother Goose, ay repeatedly punched by his classmates during class hours nung wala si teacher. And nagsumbong yung estudyante to another teacher, pero inignore siya nung teacher na pinagsumbungan niya. Nagsumbong yung classmate sa class advisor, pinagalitan lang yung mga sumuntok, pero walang corrective action. Hindi rin nila in-inform yung parents ng bata. At nalaman lang nila doon sa isang parent sa eskwelahan. And that is the time they brought the child for medical examination. Tapos, syempre, nung nagkagulo na, nag-conduct ng school ng investigation. At doon sa investigation, sabi nila, teasing and rough play lang. Natural lang sa bata yung nangyari, no? And yung mga offenders naman, inadmit naman yung pagsuntok, pero walang disciplinary action na binigay ng school. Siyempre, nagalit ang parents, nag-file sila ng case for damages against the school. At ang ating Korte Suprema sabi, pag nag-enroll ka sa eskwelahan, merong contractual obligation ng eskwelahan to provide and maintain a safe environment para sa kanilang estudyante. At siyempre, sabi nila, hindi naman lahat ng instance binabantayan ng mga pupils, pero they are expected to protect the students from harm. At i-exercise nila yung diligence of a good father of a family to prevent injury. At because of this, binigyan ng hatol na damages itong eskwelahan na ito for failing to comply with the Anti-Bullying Act, Republic Act 10627. At nagbigay sila ng mga suggestion kung ano ang dapat to prevent or minimize bullying.